Alright, in this video, I'll quickly explain what our backup method is whenever you can't give us access to your Facebook Business Manager and you tried our link in our software and it seems not to be working. So you would make it over to your business settings inside of Facebook. You can usually get there by typing in business.facebook.com, and you'll be able to get into a window like this where you see people, partners, pages, all these things, right? So what we actually want to do is we want to go over to partners. Once you manage to navigate over to this page, we want to go over to partners. And what you'll do is you'll actually hit add and you'll click on give a partner access to your assets, right? And then you're going to type in a special number. Now what I'm going to do in this case, I'm going to make sure that you have our number. So this is our business portfolio number. We go back to partners. And again, you're typing in ours, not yours. I'm going to go to hit add, give a partner access to your assets, and you would type in that number. So in this case, obviously give me the error because I can't give access to myself. But the number is 124 142 701 650 0674. So let's say in the case that you're going to get a pop-up next, right? I can't show you that side because I can't add myself. But you're going to be able to give us access to your business page and your ad account. So I'd recommend, like in this case, you would give us access to a Facebook page and an ad account, catalogs if you have it, pixels if you have it, and Instagram. Now, in order to give us Instagram, there's going to be another step. Either one, you log into your Instagram while you're inside of this window, which obviously you need to have, the password to. Sometimes people don't have the password, so that's when it becomes an issue. Or what you do is you need to provide us the password so we can log in from our side to actually get full access. Just because you select Instagram, and if you're not logged into here, does not mean it's going to give us access, which is okay. We can always fix that afterwards. Step one is to at least get the Facebook page and the ad accounts. All right, that concludes this video.